Good morning, this is Sheree Lynn for Just Nailed It. This is video 2 today. Notice the same outfit because it's same video or different video, same day. I have on my fleur-de-lis stamping over my Creeper's Gonna Create my indie polish that I bought in June's polish pickup. I'm trying to take it off. There is glitter in here and black shards in the polish, so it's a little hard to take off. I'm letting it soak. I bought these clips off of Wish. Saturate your cotton ball. You could wrap it in foil. You could get these clips and they hold them onto your nails. Soak it on there for, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. Depending on how much glitter and everything you have on here. I've already taken off my thumb and my pinky, my baby finger. We're letting these soak now. And you can get these clips off of Wish for free with the $2 shipping charge from China, which is a great deal. Or you can go to Sally's. I don't remember how much they are there, but you can go there and pay a higher price. With China, you're waiting 2 to 3 weeks for your product. If you need a code, code for 50% off your first order, let me know. I think I have one on my Instagram page. Nailed It 67, one word, of course. Check that out. Check out my photos there as well. Please follow me there. If you're a new subscriber here, I welcome you. Please click the subscribe button and the bell down in the corner. You'll get notified of all future videos of mine. If you like this or any of my videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you'd like, you can leave a comment down below. And you can, suggest anything that you want to see if you have any suggestions for what I'm doing here currently. I know that there are some products out there for removal that's especially made for glitter, but I figure I'm going to give these a whirl, see how they do. I know when I took these 2 fingers off, I had to scrub a little bit because of the black shards, but it is such a beautiful polish. I wish I hadn't have already put it away so I could show you. It's called Creeper's Gonna Creep by Night Owl Lacquer. I got it in, like I said, June's polish pickup. It's a beautiful, beautiful polish. Excuse me, I got itchy nose. And yeah, we're gonna let these soak for another 30 seconds or so, and we're going to see if the polish is gonna come off. I'm going to try and take my ring. Whoops, this one's coming off. Shouldn't have done that. It's the last one I put on. We're going to check the ring finger first. I put that one on first. Again, these clips are great, even for regular polish removal, or if you're taking off a soak-off gel. Put your pad with acetone on here. Wrap it around your nail, put the clips on, or you could put the foil on, or they make d.i.y or something like that, I can't pronounce it, makes pads in a little packet where you just stick your finger in there and they fold over, and you soak your gel polish off that way. I do have some gel polish coming that I'm going to be trying out and doing a product review on it probably in the next month. I'm going to try and put it on a fake nail, fake hand, so I don't have to put it on my real nails, because I don't mind using the base gel coat to help my nails. This hand grow. This hand breaks a lot because I'm right-handed, but I really don't want the colors and everything on there. I like to change my polish a lot, like 2 to 3 times a week. So, ouch. We're going to take this off now, give it a good rub. See, we still have some on, minus all the cotton. So I got to give this a good work in here. The others are still soaking. And it's just the black shards that's like really difficult. I mean, there's a couple things of glitter still on here. But if you get your orange stick you can get off, let me see which end do I have. You can, work off the shards of blackness from the polish. I do have, the Soak Off Base Coat by Born Pretty on this sand. And because it's soaking the glitter off, the gel polish is also coming off with it. So I don't know if you can see that. It's just still on the tip of my nail. So I'm going to work this. A little bit more polish remover in there. I didn't think about that it would take off my base coat. Kind of forgot about that. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Give it a good working. See, I didn't leave them on long enough, I don't think. Yeah, I didn't. It's a beautiful polish. It just takes a little bit of work to get off your nail. Just a little bit. Let them soak for maybe, it's been on for a good 5 minutes. And it's taking off my base coat with it. There we go. That one came off nice and easy. Let's get the side walls. Gotta make sure those are gone. After you when you've got something on your nails like this where you're leaving this soap for 5 minutes on, it's a great idea to let your fingers and your cuticles soak in cuticle oil afterwards, which I will be doing. Probably shouldn't be doing it like this. Again, those clips you can get off of Wish. Great little product to have when removing glitter. Or Soak Off Gel Nail Polish, which I just did. I didn't have nail polish, I had the base coat. Which, whatever, it is what it is. So, yep, here's the black shard. Let me try and pry that off here. This finger does not have any gel base coat on it. It had already peeled off last week. Yeah. So yeah, just give it a good rubbing. Ouch. And see, they all came off just beautifully. I know I need to clean my nails, so excuse me for that. I'm going to leave these clips here so you can see them. I'm going to saturate my nail now in Born Pretty coconut oil, cuticle oil. Excuse me. Here's product code for Born Pretty cuticle oil if you want to order that. Get it out of the box. Pull the cap off, give it a couple of good turns. Go over your nails and your cuticle because they need some nourishment after all that remover. And it does not hurt to put it underneath as well. Give it a little swipe under your nails. That one's a stubby. Put your cap back on so this does not dry out. Sometimes I let it just soak on my nails. Sometimes I rub it in. Today I'm going to be letting it soak. So I'm sure you can see my dirty nails now and my cuticle oil. I don't know how much the cuticle oil is by Born Pretty. It was sent to me as a gift from a giveaway that I won. And it's a great little product. I've been using it on my left hand for 3 weeks now. They're greatly nourished. Great product. Smells great, looks great, works great. So I can't say enough about it. But I'm done here for today. I hope you like this little video, even though it's 10 minutes long. These clips are great from Born Pretty. Or you could use foil, your choice. Or not from Born Pretty, from Wish. Or you could go to Sally's and buy the more expensive ones. But they're great. Take a look on the Wish app. Have a blessed day. Thank you.